Observation number 1. The subject is suffering from traumatic neurosis. The root cause of this trauma is the rape to which she was subjected to about 2 weeks ago. The subject doesn't respond to any external stimuli. Her determined refusal to answer my questions makes me think that she understands everything I say. Observation number 53. The subject suddenly comes out of her state of torpor. That doesn't mean she's getting better. She's just trying to come to terms with the world by means of aggression. It is absolutely imperative that somebody is with her every single minute in order to absorb her negative energy.
I'm here.
What do you want? I've given you something to eat. What do you want now?
I don't know.
I don't want to hear from you again. I've given you something to eat, so shut up.
I can't shut up. I'm frightened.
Shut up, leave me alone. I need to rest.
Yes, but I'm frightened.
I want to go to sleep. I don't want to hear you again. I want to rest.
I want you to give me cuddle.
I don't want to cuddle you. I can't cuddle you. I don't even know how to cuddle you. I've given you something to eat. That's enough.
It's not. I want you to cuddle me a bit. I'm frightened, and I want you to cuddle me.
I can't cuddle you. I don't know how to, and I'm frightened too.
If you don't cuddle me, I'll squeeze.
Observation number 57. The subject is suffering an alteration of the ego. Every attempt to communicate with her is perceived by the subject as an act of aggression. For her, the rape continues.
I'm here.
Who are you?
It's me.
Who? I don't know who you are.
Stop pretending. You know exactly who I am.
No, I don't. I don't know you. You don't exist.
I do. I do exist. And it's you who are going to bring me into the world.
No, I'll never bring you into this world.
Yes, you will. You have to.
No, I don't. I don't have to bring you into the world.
You don't have any choice. You're my mother. And it's a mother's job to bring a child into the world.
You don't have the right to be brought into the world. You're a world child. You don't have any parents. You were born of horror. You're a child of horror.
Listen to me. If you don't bring me into the world, I'll scream.
After the tone. Press any key to end.
Dear Kate, I don't really know what I'm going to do now. I filled applications for immigration at the Canadian, Australian, South African embassies. I don't want to go to America. No, my baby's fine. He weighs 13 pounds now. When you last called, you wanted to know the precise moment at which I decided to keep him. I'll tell you. It was one day, just after you left. I went for a walk by the lake, and as I walked, I looked at the trees and the water, and all of a sudden a notice nailed to a tree caught my eye, and I went to take a closer look, and this is what I read. We would like to inform you that this tree is dead. It will be cut down week commencing April the 2nd. In its place, and for the enjoyment of all visitors to this park, we will be planting a sapling. Signed, the Department of Parks and Gardens. I read this once, and then again, and then several times more. And that's when I decided to keep my baby. Liberté. Laura.
You have one unheard message, sent today at 9:35 a.m.
Message deleted.